So in today's episode, I thought I'd ask y'all, what in TickTick are you struggling with? What part of it are you having difficulty with? Is there a certain part that you have problems with, or maybe you want to know something useful about TickTick that I could do a video on? A lot of times I think that people might want to know this about TickTick or that about TickTick, but I thought I'd ask you what you want to learn about TickTick. I've been using TickTick for quite some time, and then I got away from it and started doing, other things like with Notion and such. And Notion's great. Now, don't get me wrong, but I think Notion's really excels at note taking as well as sharing database material and information. But when I restarted TickTick, I really had no idea how beneficial it was going to be back in my life. And it really has helped me get a lot more organized, a lot more structured, and to get things done that I had been pushing off. I'd say, well, yeah, I got to do that, but I don't know when I'll have time. But there's always time. There's always time to do something. You just got to make that time. But how do you know what time you have unless you make the time? And the only way you can make the time is to schedule the time. And so that's why I really love TickTick, especially with the calendar. It's better than anything else, even better than Todoist. And I know I'll get a lot of comments on that, but for me, it's a lot better. Granted, there's some quirks with TickTick that, it's annoying, but for the most part, it does every single thing that I needed to do when I need it done. And I don't even know how I could manage my life or even my business without it. So, with that being said, I know that this is just kind of a talking head video, so to speak, and not really going to show you anything in TickTick today, but I did want to ask y'all, if there's anything that you're struggling with, please leave me a comment right down below if you want to know whatever it is that I haven't covered already. And if there is something that's popped into your mind, just search on my YouTube channel and see if I've already covered it. But if I haven't, feel free to leave me a comment right down below and just let me know what it is. And I will see if I can do a video on that and cover that in the near future. So I know it's a little short video, but I did want to kind of put that out there just in case anybody out there needs to know something about TickTick. And so with that being said, like always, if you enjoyed this video, click that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.